Now I am going to show you how to print waybills using the confirmed orders. You can print waybills through the merchant portal or the staff portal. In the merchant portal, you have to go to the My Orders screen first and select the confirmed orders. You can only print waybills only for confirmed orders. When your orders are in the draft mode, you cannot print waybills. After you click the confirm section in this My Orders screen, you can see there are 16 orders can be printed for waybills. To print a waybill, you can select one waybill or multiple waybills to print out. Let's say you want to print a one waybill here. You can select one waybill like this and print the waybill in the print waybill button. In here you can see a preview of the waybill with the details, the logo, the barcode and the QR code and the courier company details and your details like merchant details, customer details, order details and the city and the total COD amount. Once you click the print button, in the right side of that button you can see the preview of the waybill. You can see there are more spaces to be printed in the single A4 sheet because this A4 is designed to print 4 waybills in the one A4 sheet. So if you want to print more than waybills in a single screen, you simply have to go to the confirm screen again and select 4 waybills, or you can select all the waybills here if you want to print waybills at once. I selected 4 waybills here. Now you can see there are 4 waybills can be printed in the printed screen.